Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making something very delicious, fish coconut curry sauce. It is super delicious and very easy to make. Let's get started. Add some salt to a bowl, black pepper, paprika, fish seasoning, curry, thyme and seasoning cubes. Give everything a good mix and set aside. Feel free to add or remove any spices you are not familiar with. It's okay to follow my procedures, but please suit your taste buds. Now get some mackerel fish. I have deboned mine and you're just going to cut it into small chunks like this, not too thick and not too thin. If you don't like mackerel fish, you can as well use any protein of your choice, chicken, turkey, just use anything. Now add those seasoning we mixed earlier to the fish. You are going to mix this up together and let it marinate for a while, maybe 5 minutes. You just want the seasoning to enter, but if you don't have time like me, start frying straight away. In a pan, heat oil over medium heat. Fry the marinated fish until golden brown. Now here's a trick on how to fry your fish. Don't just disturb it. Immediately you add it in, let it fry on each side for about 2 to 5 minutes. If possible, set a timer for this. Make sure it's at least 5 minutes or 4 minutes before you flip. That way the fish will not scatter. You can see what I'm doing, right? If you don't fry it well, it's going to stick to the pan when you want to turn it and it will scatter. So try this hack and thank me later. At this point, the fish is well fried, so it's time to take it out. After frying your fish, if your oil is too much, you can reduce it, but mine was okay, so I continued cooking with that same oil. So imagine the flavors we are building. The first thing I added to the oil is curry powder, followed by some onions and turmeric powder. It's time to add the veggies. When making stir fries or anything that involves veggies, please start with the veggies that take the longest time to cook. So if you are using a vegetable like broccoli, it should go in first before your carrots. I am not using that here, so I added my carrot first, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and I gave everything a good mix. Now add in some coconut milk. Diluted the seasonings we mixed earlier with some water and I poured that in. I'm giving it a good stir again. While doing this, make sure you're using your spoon to scrape the bottom of the pan so that the seasoning from the fish we fried earlier, all those flavors can enter into the sauce. Season this slightly with some garlic powder, ginger powder, and seasoning cube. Stir again. Taste. If it needs more seasoning, you can add more. Mine was perfect like that, in the sense that I am dealing with a small portion and I'm going to still let it simmer for a while. Add the protein so that all the flavors can marry together. I added eggs first, now the fish. Give everything a good mix, making sure every part of the fish is covered with the sauce. Now let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. There is no need for corn flour slurry here because the sauce is going to thicken on its own. And that's pretty much it on how to make your fish curry sauce. Is this something you would love to try? Just let me know in the comment section. I am not trying to sugarcoat anything, but this is the best curry sauce you will ever make. I'm serious about it. I proceeded to pair this with some hot rice. I know, right? I'm such a rice girly. And have this with some pasta, sweet potatoes, or anything you like. As always, don't forget to like, share this video with someone that needs it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.